Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Cherishable and perishable and who sustains all life. Peace be upon the Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his family and his companions. I have much pleasure to privilege in this auspicious occasion to be in front of you with a topic: is AI a blessing or a threat? Let me begin with a question. What if your computer becomes smarter than you? Sounds exciting or maybe a little scary. Yes, that's the world we are stepping into. The world ruled by artificial intelligence, simply AI. Be chatty robots, self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. We can see everywhere in all technology, AI is used. There is a big question remains: is AI a threat or blessing? Let's look at the first bright side. AI make the life smarter and easier. It assists doctors in finding diseases, teachers in teaching, scientists in solving big problems. It can even help us to fight against climate change and save lives. Imagine robots helping in hospital, computers teaching students in small villages. Isn't that amazing? But there is another side too. AI, like all, if we use without cautious, it can be harmful. If we misuse it, it will be a great threat for us. If we use it for our knowledge, kindness, and creativity, it makes us life better. So, is AI a threat or blessing? The answer is, the truth is, it is depending on us. If we use for all good things, we can simply say it is our blessing. If we misuse it, some people post selfies, fake stories, and arguments that lead nowhere. So the answer is depending how we use it. Let's make the AI benefit for our future. We conclude my words. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.